Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize segment data connections to BigQuery, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize segment data connections to BigQuery, start by logging into your segment account. Navigate to the connections page in your segment workspace. Click on that Add Destination button. Search for and select BigQuery from the list of available destinations. Click on the Configure button to set up the BigQuery connection. In the configuration settings, enter your BigQuery project ID. Next, you will need to provide your service account credentials. Open the Google Cloud Console in a new tab. Create a new service account if you don't have one already. Once you have your service account, download the JSON key file. Back in Segment, upload the JSON key file in the designated field. Set the dataset name where you want your segment data to be sent. Choose the appropriate data format you wish to use for BigQuery. Confirm your settings, ensuring that the destination is enabled. Click on the Save button to finalize the setup. Next, test the connection to ensure it's working correctly. Once the test is successful, you can start sending data. Monitor the connection for any issues that may arise in the future. You have now successfully authorized segment data connections to BigQuery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.